All right. So the question was like you were given a 2D a 2D grid, a very simple 2D grid, something like this. Okay. And the thing about the 2D grid was that it only consisted of three types of symbols. So it was either an F, either a dash, which represented an empty space, and either a hashtag, which was an obstacle. Now, what does the F represent? F is basically a connected body. So, you have like this sort of a connected body. Okay, this sort of a connected body. And the problem said that what's going to happen is that this particular body is going to fall down under the effect of gravity. Okay, so the F's basically represent a body, right? So the F's basically represent a body and they're falling down under the effect of gravity, right? So if chalo, let's forget for a moment that let's say that there are no obstacles at all and all of these are like empty space. So what's going to happen is that this particular body is going to fall straight down. So the overall answer is going to be something like this. You know, you had the body and you had 5 rows, so it's going to fall straight down if you have no obstacles, and the overall answer is going to be something like this. But then right now you do have obstacles, right? So as this body falls down, what's going to happen? You see, um when this so this F falls down, comes at this place, these three F's fall down, occupy these three places now, and these five F's fall down and occupy these five places. So this is the result after the body has fallen. You can say it after it has fallen 1 unit downwards. Now it cannot fall any more downwards. Why? Because there is this obstacle F. There is this obstacle which prevents the F to move any further. Are you getting my point? So because of this obstacle, the body cannot move any further down. Now, if we modify our example a bit, okay, let's maybe change one or two, or maybe let's add an obstacle or two. So for this particular example, um, what's wrong? For this particular example, you see that the answer was this, something like this. But then, for example, let's say that I had an obstacle over here, maybe I had an obstacle over here, something like this. And then the body wouldn't be able to fall down even 1 unit. Why? Because this it's a connected body, right? It's a connected body. It's one connected body, something like this. Okay, so it won't be able to fall down by even 1 unit. Why? Because this obstacle is in the way. So you are getting a very good idea of where am I trying to take this question towards, right? I'm not going to ruin it for you, I'm not going to ruin the solution for you, but at this point you have a very good idea of how to solve this one. I hope you found the video helpful.